Hey, this is Sayed Raji coming to you with some Forex trading strategies. We're on video 5 of our support and resistance video series. Right now I'm going to be teaching you how to create support and resistance or spot support and resistances through trend lines. In the past couple of videos we actually showed you guys how to spot supports and resistances through peaks and valleys, and actually how to trade through peaks and valleys. If you haven't checked them out yet, I highly recommend that you check them out before checking out this video. But let's get started with this anyways. Um, Trend lines are probably the best way to be able to tell where the strong supports and resistances are, because, well, they're the ones that are usually showing up on everybody else's charts as well. With peaks and valleys, you run into problems because of price action, and you run into problem because people are actually setting their supports and resistances at the peaks, or they're setting it according to their charting software, which can conflict with your charting software, and which will lead into a lot of problems if you're not using the zones method that I showed you earlier, if you're not looking for strong supports and resistances. So trendline resistances are basically lines like supports and resistances that either move along the bottom of upward trending candlesticks or along the tops of downward trending candlesticks. So as you can see, I've drawn out a couple lines over here to show you where the supports and the resistances are. So you'll notice that along the bullish trend line right here, we were able to build a line that goes along this trend line and acts as a support for this bullish trend, which you can also see it can break down through if the support is strong enough. And you'll also notice that for this line right here, we had built a quick trend line for a downwards trend, bearish trend right here, and I just did that by using the line tool in MetaTrader. Very simple. So, a couple things you want to take into consideration. Number one is that you never want to try to make these lines fit. You never want to try to make the lines fit. They either fit or they don't. As you noticed, I was able to make a line fit right here, not a problem. Now, if I was trying to move the line around a little bit and I noticed that it's not touching these currencies exactly where I want to be touching them, well, and I'm shifting it so it kind of looks like it's touching, but not really, and I'm just justifying it in my mind. That does not work. It never works. Make sure that you have a line that actually fits. It's a line of best fit, and it's a line that must fit. All right? Second criteria, you have to make sure that it touches at least 3 bottoms, or it touches at least 3 tops. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. This is how to tell whether the resistance or the support is actually a good support indicator or a good resistance indicator. If not, you're just drawing lines on the chart for absolutely no reason. And one thing you got to also remember is that the steeper the line, the worse it is. So if I were to build a line right here for this pair right here, you'll notice that it's extremely steep. And the more steep it is, the less reliable you can, the less reliable the indicator is itself. The characteristics of these indicators, of the support and resistance indicators, are very much like the ones that we had discussed from videos 1 to 4. If you haven't checked those out, make sure you check them out, like I said, because it's some really good information, and it'll really tell you on how currencies are going to be behaving around these indicators. So, to recap all the information on this video, we'll see that the bottom right here on a bullish trend acts as a support. This line right here needs to touch at least 3 nodes, and it's not very steep, so you can tell that it's probably going to be a good support indicator. Same thing for this bearish trend right here. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel above. Subscribe to my newsletter by clicking on the link below. You'll be getting free Forex lot calculator, which will help you start trading under any sort of budget that you might have. It's a great money management system and a great risk management system, so you know exactly how much you should be putting into each trade. The Forex lot calculator will tell you absolutely everything. It's one half of a system. The other half is the actual indicator list that I actually use in my own system, as well as what sort of news I'm paying attention to. So make sure that you fill out the newsletter details below so I can keep you updated with all of the videos. You can start trading my strategy this week. You can actually put it into a demo account, test it out, see that it actually makes some money. Next week you can start making your own money off my trading account, of my trading strategy, as well as the free Forex lot calculator that I'm going to be sending you just for signing up to the newsletter below. And I'll keep giving you free information so that you can keep making money with all of these cool indicators and education that you're getting about Forex. Just make sure that you're telling everybody you know about this so I have more time not to have to spread the word and just create more videos for you guys. Awesome. Catch me in the next video. We're going to be teaching you how to trade channeling trend lines as supports and resistances. So catch me on the next video. Take care.